Hey everyone, so this is going to be a quick tutorial. So I've already done the skin, blush, and lips on my previous video, which you can watch. So what I'm going to do for this eye is I'm using the High Pigment Longwear eyeliner in Park Avenue and start by putting it in the waterline and tightlining the eye on the top and then smudge it up onto the top lid. And then when you get to the outside corner of the eye, just wing it out. So don't worry about getting that perfect wing liner. Just let the brush do the work for you. And you'll see it just gives a really gorgeous flick on the outside of the eye. And I'm using the 45 smudging brush from Nars. And you can use any small compact brush to achieve this. And I'm now winging it on the other side. So that's a really quick way to do the eyeliner. And then I'm going to put on Climax mascara, and I'm using a fan brush because I want to get it right to the root of the lash. So you'll see I'm actually painting the mascara onto the lashes, which is going to make them just really lifted and you'll get that depth. When I do the bottom lashes, I'm actually only applying it through the center of the bottom lash. And the reason why is I want all the attention to be on the center of the eye. So you'll see when her eyes are open, you'll get that attention right in the middle. So then I'm using Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Cream, and this is the Velvet Shadow Stick in the color Siros. And I'm mixing them together, and Elizabeth Arden has this really gorgeous finish to it and has a little bit of a tint, but mixing it with the shadow sticks, you get this eye paint. And because I haven't put any eyeshadow or anything above the lash line, it lasts really well. So I put it all the way up to the brow, and it gives this gorgeous sheen for that wet look. And I'm also applying it through the center of the bottom and top lip, just to create a little balance between the two features. So that's it. That's a quick glowy eye. You get that really beautiful flick of the blue eyeliner, and I'll see you next time.